Alright guys, day 24. Pretty psyched for today. Finally thought of a trick that I'm like super excited to learn. I mean, I'm psyched to learn all of them, but there's these certain style of tricks. It's hard to explain them, like these mini ramp tricks that you can do really long, almost every try, but they're still just difficult enough that you can't do them every try. I don't know, those are my favorite. So anyway, finally thought of one today at work. Backside Smith grind to fakie, the weird way. So, gonna give that a shot. First, we're just gonna skate and hang out, then we'll try that later. Why did I go for that? Oh my god! Damn! Fucking weak. Like any great love, we keep guessing. Like any real love, it's ever changing. Like any great love, keeps you guessing. Like any real love, it's ever changing. Oh, it drives you crazy. But you know you wouldn't change. Ow! We got 5%?
Probably.
Yeah. Just got it. Phone was on 1% battery. Pretty psyched. It was actually a lot harder than I thought. My body just wouldn't turn. A lot of pretty good slams, but say we got it. Got a trick. That's it. Day 24. See you guys tomorrow.